Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well today. Guess who forgot to plug their phone in and charge it last night? This guy. So I got like 30 something percent, but I'm just gonna bring my charger along with me today. I'll probably end up charging my phone there at Keith's house when I head over there later on. This 30% should last me the rest of the morning, anyways. Uh, it's a real thin hoodie, this one piece one is, so it's still a little chilly out yet this morning, but I'm sure it'll warm up later on. As you guys can see, it's cloudy out to start the day here, but other than that, it's a great day. We're getting this vlog started. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Yeah, and I don't know how accurate the weather is on my phone, but my phone says it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit, so a little chilly. Hey everybody, just an update here. I made it over here to my friend Keith's house. Right now he's putting together... What are you putting together, Keith?
It's just an outdoor kitchen table, workstation, whatever you want to call it.
Okay, my phone's all charged back up. Just charged it up at my friend Keith's house. We're gonna head out to Boiling Springs State Park, get you guys some video out there. Temperature's not too bad now, it's all right. But yeah, we'll go out there and get you guys some video. We'll catch up with you. God bless. Made it out here to Boiling Springs State Park. I want to show you guys, for a state park bathroom, it's actually very clean. This is the bathroom here, but yeah, it's surprisingly clean for a state park bathroom here. It's very well upkept. Boiling Springs, I really can't say enough nice things about it. It's just a beautiful, well upkept park. I just love it. Hey everybody, just want to show you a little bit of Boiling Springs State Park here. A lot of stuff is really starting to green up because of the springtime here. I love it. Slowly but surely it's getting green, but we'll flip you around here and show you how beautiful out it is today. sun's starting to peek out a little bit. The morning started pretty cloudy, but the sun's trying to make its way. But we'll show you a little bit of nature here. Just bring you along for this. I just love coming out here. Like I said, I can't say enough nice things about Boiling Springs State Park here. It's just a beautiful, well upkept park. I just love it. Water's flowing. Yeah, everything really is starting to green up. I'm just loving it. If you guys don't know, my favorite color is actually green. I love green. Oh yeah, you guys can hear the birds hopefully here on the video clip. You can hear the trees creaking and moving. That is wild. At least I believe that's the tree. Otherwise, I'm not too sure what that could be. But yeah, that's kind of crazy. Looks like a tree fell down here or got uprooted somehow. Guess I can go under it. But it's beautiful back in here. Lots of nostalgia. Used to come here a lot. Yeah, just nice and peaceful. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Love this big tree here. Muddy, darn it, but yeah, just wanted to get you guys a shot of the nature here at Boiling Springs State Park. The beauty is just all out here. I love it, and hopefully you guys enjoy this footage here as well. Just bringing you along for this vlog. got nothing in particular planned. It'll just go how it goes, and I want to get you guys what I can for content. I definitely appreciate each and every one of your guys' support on my channel here. Just blows me away at times. I just get speechless. But yeah, I really do appreciate the support. I always want to try and let you guys know that. Yeah, this is real muddy back here. Try to maneuver, but okay. I like all the little bridges. I think they're kind of cool. But yeah, the trails go back in here quite a ways. I won't go the whole way. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna start heading back right now. But if you're ever in Northwest Oklahoma, I highly recommend checking out Boiling Springs State Park if you like nature, because it has a lot of beautiful nature to offer. Yeah, I know I'm repeating myself, but I really can't say enough nice things about this state park here. It's just awesome. Trying to maneuver here through the muddiness. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head back to Keith and the car, and I'll get you whatever else footage I can get out here. Yeah, just listening to the water flow is just so relaxing. I love it. It's so peaceful, and if I sat here or laid here long enough, I could probably fall asleep just to the nature sounds. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's vlog. Trying my best to get you guys content. Hey everybody, just wanted to get you some more video here. We'll show you a little bit of this. Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful out here. I'm loving this, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. The goose is enjoying the day. just as well as I am. Awesome. Yeah, this is what life's all about right here. Just enjoying it and living it to the fullest. And I try to think about that a lot. You know, am I really living my life to the fullest? Am I really doing everything I possibly can to put a smile on other people's faces and my own face? I definitely try my best to be a good person. I definitely try my best to be respectful and treat everybody across the board with respect and kindness, because I don't care about race, I don't care about religion, I don't care about your political views. To me, humans are humans, and I try to have love and compassion and respect for everybody. But at the end of the day, you know, it's not about how much money you have, it's not about what social status or job you have or job you work, what career path you take. At the end of the day, life is life, and we're all human beings. So just try to, I encourage you, just try to spread more kindness, spread more positivity, and keep a smile on your face. I'm definitely trying my best to get you guys good content here. Like I said earlier, I really can't explain how grateful and thankful I am for your support. If it wasn't for all you wonderful people that watch my videos, I guess I'd just be the only one watching my videos. But you guys truly mean the world to me. Thanks for supporting my channel. Hey everybody, I've probably been to this trail years ago, but I don't remember. This is back here where some of the camping grounds are. Probably won't go too far in here, but like I said, if I've been here before, I don't remember it. I'm sure I have, because I've been coming to Boiling Springs State Park for years and years and years. But yeah, I don't recall this one, so it's kind of a new experience, I guess. It's not impressive like the other ones. There's not as much tree coverage so far anyway, but well, we'll check it out here a little bit and bring you guys along for this experience. I'm just bringing you guys along today and getting you guys what I can for content, so please bear with me, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, this trail is more of a open concept as compared to the other one that we were just showing you on the video clip. But yeah, a little more open concept here at this one, but it's still pretty cool. Oh yeah, it looks like it goes back in here quite a ways. Like I said, don't want to go too far back in here, but just wanted to bring you guys along for it for a little bit and show you guys, yeah, basically a new experience, because I don't recall ever going on this trail. Like I said, I'm sure I have years and years and years ago. I used to come out here with my mom all the time when I was a kid, but yeah, I definitely don't recall this particular trail here. But hey, I got to bring you guys along for it. I thought it was cool. Like I said, it's more of an open concept as opposed to the other trail. As you guys seen, it's more covered with trees and more foliage and stuff like that. But yeah, not a bad area. It's kind of cool. But I'm a sucker for nature. I love it. And yeah, the green, the trees, it's just beautiful. All the plants. Yeah, I'm glad everything is really starting to green up here. I hope we continue to get rain, because we can always use it. Definitely don't want anything to dry out any more than it already is. But anyways, brought you along for a little bit of that. I'm gonna get back to the car here with Keith, and we'll figure out what else we want to do here. Talk to you later. God bless. Everybody, just want to get you the last bit of footage here out here at Boiling Springs State Park. It's a very nice area here. Yeah, that's just beautiful. I love that. Just a squirrel. Wasn't sure what it was. Kind of stood there for a second and wondered what was making that sound. Well, this trail does go back further a ways this way, but I'm just gonna circle back around. Mud again. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Darn it. Guess you can't help it out here in nature sometimes. Oh yeah, there's the path that we just went a little bit ago. Oh yeah, you guys can probably see here on the video clip that the entrance is pretty much right there. So yeah, just coming back the way that I came. I hope you guys enjoy the nature out here at Boiling Springs State Park. I just wanted to get you guys something filmed that's rather interesting. Well, to me it is anyway. On a beautiful day. The temperature's awesome now. It started out a little bit chilly, but now it's just gorgeous outside. And yeah, you can't beat nature. I love it personally. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, this is just bringing you along for it day. Like I said, trying to get you guys what I can for content. I'm trying my absolute best, so bear with me here. I'm sorry if the content or the video is boring. Sometimes you just run out of stuff to do when you live in a small town, so I apologize for that. But I'm still trying to get a video uploaded for you guys that's hopefully mildly interesting or keeps your attention. But I know that my true supporters will support my channel. The good videos, the bad videos, the horrendous videos that are absolutely boring and me just rambling on, which is probably today. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me here. And yeah, like I said, hopefully enjoy the video footage out here at Boiling Springs State Park. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Everybody, this might be the cheapest place in town for coffee. It was $1.09 total for a small iced coffee here at Burger King. Hey everybody, I'm just heading home from my friend Keith's house. We didn't get a lot filmed together anyways, but we still had fun hanging out. Want to thank him for taking me out there to Boiling Springs State Park. I hope you guys enjoyed that video clips that I got out there. But yeah, I'm gonna head home. Keith and I are both feeling kind of tired today, which it could be the cloudiness or the weather or whatever. I know he didn't sleep very well last night, but sometimes it be like that. It is what it is. But yeah, just wanted to get you guys up to date here. Keith and I had a pretty good time hanging out. Like I said, we didn't get a lot filmed together, but we still had a good time hanging out together. We went over to Burger King, as you've seen. That's probably the cheapest place in town for coffee besides making coffee at home. But anyways, I'm heading home. I'll catch up with you guys later. God bless. Hey everybody, just want to get you an update here. Watched a few episodes of One Piece. Now I'm just watching some YouTube. A little bit ago I ate some microwave nachos, nothing fancy. I just took some regular tortilla chips and some shredded cheese and canned chicken and also some hot Cheetos on there and just melted and mixed that all together. That was pretty good. But yeah, right now I'm just sitting here watching YouTube. I watched a couple episodes of One Piece, like I said. You guys know that's a long journey. One Piece is ridiculously long, but I still enjoy it. So yeah, I just wanted to get you up to date here. Hey everybody, just wanted to film a few clips here with the Rare Vision app. I love this app. Yeah, I just think it's really cool. Yeah, look how vibrant and green my cactus is here. As you guys know, I put more dirt around it because it was starting to lean over and all that. So yeah, I just put some more dirt around it. Now it's stabilized again. Looks a lot better. Yeah, I planted some flower seeds here in this flower bed here. Can't wait for them to come up. Hopefully they all grow good and get beautiful blooms on them. Really looking forward to it. I really hope they grow. Then I transplanted these into the ground here. Back here is the aloe vera. Then the daffodils, iris, and the one that I can't pronounce the name of. Then back here along this area, I planted some vines. Yeah, my palm tree is trying its best here to keep on keeping on. I just don't think it's the right climate, the right temperature, but hey, at least it's been alive for this long. I really do love this plant. I really hope that it hangs on and really has a big revival in the summer, because I do love this plant. It means a lot to me and it's very sentimental. Marigolds in these pots here, and then daisies are in this little pot here. The peppers, they're doing all right. But yeah, the weather is so up and down here in northwest Oklahoma. It's really hard to garden sometimes. Yeah, these blooms look beautiful here on the Rare Vision app. It's really dreamy. That's kind of cool, actually. Hope you guys enjoy this footage here. Okay, I'm gonna plant some sage here. I got the dirt already in the flower pot here. I'm gonna just plant the seeds and hopefully the sage will grow. And yeah, I've been really enjoying doing gardening. It's been a lot of fun. Like I said, I just hope that stuff starts to come up and stuff starts to grow and become successful and vibrant. I've been really enjoying gardening, even though I'm not an expert by any means. I'm as amateur as you can get, but it's all for fun, and if it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, hey, I still had fun doing gardening. Okay, I got the sage planted here, the sage seeds, so hopefully I get some sage sometime. Okay, I got my tripod set up here. I'm gonna plant a few more things. My mom said I can use this section right here and plant some stuff, so I think I'm gonna plant a few different flowers here. Just see what happens with them. I'm gonna plant some moss rose, some zinnia, African daisies, and morning glory. I'll plant them here and see what happens with them, and hopefully they grow. So we'll put you on time lapse and we'll bring you along for it. Thanks for watching my channel. God bless. Everybody have another spot cleared out here. I want to plant some more, if it'll focus, come on camera, red 4 o'clocks. And there is some raindrops, so it is starting to sprinkle out. So I definitely want to get this done, so I'll put you guys on time lapse. Probably not the best spot for them, but I added a little bit of soil there and planted the 4 o'clocks. So got quite a bit of gardening done today. Really enjoying it. It's really fun and really relaxing, and like I said, hopefully everything grows and does well. I'm out here in the front yard. I'm gonna plant this Rose of Sharon seeds here and see how it goes. I can't guarantee that it'll grow, but my mom said that I can plant them here in their front yard, so I'm gonna give it a try here. Alrighty, got those seeds planted. Hopefully it grows. With gardening, you never know, and especially with a climate like we have here in northwest Oklahoma, it's all a gamble, so we'll just see what happens. Well, I try not to be a pessimist when it comes to rain, but we got a few drops here and there over the last half hour or so, but it hasn't rained yet, so I would feel better if I'm just gonna go ahead and water all the stuff that I just planted and water all the plants, because I'd rather the plants be extra watered if we do get rain than not watered at all, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna turn on the garden hose and give all the plants and seeds a good hosing down, just in case we don't get rain. You watch. I'm gonna water everything and then it's just gonna downpour rain, but you see the sky, it looks like it would rain. It looks like it would downpour actually, but who knows with northwest Oklahoma. It's just so weird with the weather. It's kind of annoying. I'll start with the flower seeds I planted over here. Give them some water. That should be plenty. And we'll water over here a little bit. Yeah, I'm glad I spent most of the day outside. I definitely enjoyed it. It's not like the temperature was horrible. It was just cloudy today. Not much sunshine. Just a little bit, but that's alright. I still thoroughly enjoyed my time outdoors today. It's definitely a blessing. Each day that I'm alive, it's just unreal. Can't believe that God has allowed me to live this far with the medical conditions that I have. It's just unbelievable. And I try to thank Him daily. Alright, time to water all these seeds I just planted over here. Yeah, the soil you get from Atwoods is pretty good soil, pretty good quality. Don't know how it compares to something like Miracle-Gro, but it works. It's soil, so I'll take it. And of course, the sprinkle is starting to pick up. So, like I said, watch it just downpour rain now that I did decide to water. It's just ironic. But oh well, all the plants need the moisture anyway. I kind of watered the whole table, but that's all right. Yeah, this poor damn palm tree. I really hope it lives. I love this thing. I really do. And some of the plants my mom just transplanted, I have no idea what they're called, but they're really pretty. And of course, water these 4 o'clocks here that I just planted. That should be plenty. Hey everybody, gotta love Woodward, 0.28 of rain. Come on, man. Hey everybody, just want to wrap up my video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it today. I really appreciate all your guys' support. You know that. It just means the world to me. God bless you guys. Peace be with you.